Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to share with you two amazing legit airdrops which all of you must join. Please don't miss these airdrops as these airdrops are very legit airdrops. These are 100% legit airdrops. So let's move on to our Telegram channel, which is Hidden Airdrop Finder. So this is our Telegram channel, Hidden Airdrop Finder. You can just join this Telegram channel, and after joining, this is our first airdrop. This is 100% legit airdrop, and its first round tokens have already been received by those who participated in this airdrop first round. So this is round 2, so you can participate in this and get huge earnings. It way you can easily get you may get like $100 to $200 profit from this airdrop, and this airdrop is 100% legit. So you must join this. Just click on this link. After you click on this link, just scroll down. You need to click on this option, any of this option, and then you need to click on connect Twitter. After you connect your Twitter account, then you need to log in your Twitter account, and after you log in, your Twitter account will successfully be connected. Then you need to just do all these tasks. Click on follow, click on each of these options and click on follow button, and then follow it and come back to this page. Then click on verify, and then do all the same for these tasks. Click on this task, then click on follow and go to the Telegram Twitter page. Then just do these to all tasks, follow it and go back to here, and then click on verify. Do the same for this third also. Click on retweet tweet and click on the retweet button, and then your Twitter account will open. Then a button will appear of retweet, so click on that retweet button, come back to here and click on verify button. Then your this task will also be done same like this, and in this task you also need to join their Telegram group and Telegram channel as well. So you need to join both these Telegram groups. Just do both these tasks, and then you need to at the last, after you do all these tasks, you need to input your smart chain address. So just click on this, and then you need to input your smart chain address, which you will get from Trust Wallet. So just open your Trust Wallet. After you open your Trust Wallet, just you need to scroll down or see for smart chain address. This is our smart chain. Click on this, click on copy and go back to the page, and then click on and then submit over this option, submit over this box. Click on this and then submit, paste this address and submit it. After you submit it, you can also do refer if you want, and for getting the point of referral you need minimum 10 referrals. But please note that that referral is not compulsory. If you want, you can do referral is not compulsory, but if you want to get 1 point for referral, you need to do minimum 10 referrals. And if you don't want to do referral, then there is no problem, you will already receive the reward. Just leave it as it is. So you must join this airdrop. Please don't miss this airdrop. Must join, because this airdrop is 100% legit and can give huge earnings, as already the people who participated in its first round has already received this reward. So let's move on to our second airdrop. This airdrop is already been done. So let's move on to our second airdrop. This is our NFTC airdrop. You need to fill this form. Click on this form, open it on any browser. Here all the tasks are listed, so just do one by one. Join these Telegram channel and group. Open it on Telegram, click on join, then come back to this page, click on this, do the second task as well, join this as well, and now go back here and then click on this Twitter link, let it open. Okay friends, so this page has opened. Now click on follow button, click on here follow. Now after following, go back to this page. Now you need to click here like and retweet this. So click this fourth number task, click on like button. Now click on retweet. Now click on retweet. After you have done this task, you need to go back and do the fifth task. You need to make your own tweet using this text and link. So you just need to copy all this. Just follow me what I'm doing. Just click and hold this, and then select this much, select this and click on copy. After you click on copy, you just need to go back to your Twitter account on browser or either on app. So just open your Twitter app and open your home page. After you open, just click on top left corner 3 bars, open your profile, and just now you need to click on plus button. After you click on plus button, you need to click on tweet. After you click on tweet, you just need to paste this. After you paste this what you have copied, then you just need to paste this and write anything like must join this, anything you can write, but just make sure that you just paste this, as this is compulsory to paste this hashtags and link here, and then click on tweet. After you click on tweet, then you just can go back to the page form, and then you need to fill up these blanks. So just enter your Telegram username, enter your Twitter username, which you can get from your Twitter profile using @ enter your Twitter username using @ and Telegram username also. Then you need to just send your tweet link, which you can get from Twitter. So open Twitter account, then open your this profile, and here you will see this is our tweet link, which we just did tweet with these hashtags. So click on this share button, click on copy link. After you copy the link, go back to the form and paste it here. Now you need to submit your BSC BP20 wallet address, which you can get from Trust Wallet. So open Trust Wallet, search for your smart chain. This is smart chain. Click on this, click on copy, go back to the form, paste it here, and click on submit. So you have also joined this second airdrop as well. So friends, all these 2 airdrops, I hope you will join all these 2 airdrops. Must join all these 2 airdrops, because these are very legit airdrops, and you can get huge earnings from these airdrops, as these are legit. And the first airdrop payment is already received, so you can join this first airdrop. Must join this first airdrop and also join the second airdrop. Fill both these forms, and then you are ready to go with your rewards. So friends, I hope you like this video. Please support, please like, subscribe and share this video, and please also follow my Telegram channel, join my Telegram channel, as I provide the best airdrops over there, so that you won't miss any airdrop and you get huge earnings from these airdrops from my Telegram channel. Thank you.